one of the reasons why your website is slow, or you are getting notifications that you are hitting the allocated bandwidth, might not necessarily mean that that there is a lot of traffic coming to your website. So this traffic might be coming from different crawlers, maybe Google crawling your website, or Facebook even crawling your website. When you connect your website to Facebook, and more especially if you are running an e-commerce store, so Facebook is crawling your store to get informations from your store on the different products that you have, so that it can be indexed into Facebook. Also, Google can be crawling your website, crawling different folders at the same time. So that can take a whole lot of traffic from your website and reducing the speed of your website. You don't want that to happen. So what are the steps you take to discourage this crawling on your website every minute? Follow me. So if you don't already have this file on your root directory, robots.txt, you want to create this and upload it to your root directory. Now when you do that, here are the informations you want to add to the robot.txt. So you want to tell the crawlers, whether Facebook, Google, or Bing, or any search engine trying to crawl your website every now and then, you want to discourage them from crawling these different folders. wp-admin, include, plugins, cache, these folders. You want to discourage them from crawling these folders. Then the second thing you want to do is to allow just these ones, the upload folders, and just these three. Then you want to also reduce the time rate at which the crawlers hit your website to gather information to 10. Then you want to also discourage Meta, that's the Facebook crawler, crawling your store every now and then. You want to discourage it from crawling your website every now and then. So if you try this, it can reduce it can minimize the impact of your site being dragged down from now every now and then. It can reduce that, and you can regain a good size of you can regain speed back to your website. So not necessarily that you need to upgrade, because it might not be that that's what is happening. So if you try this and see if it works for you. Thank you for watching. Another one brought to you by Tutorial Step. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow.